Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're talking about cvarci, one of Serbia's most beloved traditional snacks. Let's start with the basics. Lena, what exactly are cvarci?
Cvarci are crispy pork cracklings made by slowly frying pieces of pork fat until they turn golden and crunchy. Originally, they were made to preserve fat for winter, but today they are popular delicacy.
That sounds delicious, Maria. How are cvarci usually served?
Traditionally, they are eaten with bread, pickles, and sometimes cheese. They also pair well with kajmak or even in spreads.
Interesting. Lena, can you tell us how cvarci are made?
Sure, pork fat is cut into small pieces and slowly cooked over low heat. As the fat melts, the pieces become crispy. Some people season them with salt, while others add spices like paprika for extra flavor.
Speaking of flavors, are there different types of cvarci?
Absolutely. The classic version is chunky and crispy, but there are also duvan cvarci, which are finely shredded and have a unique texture, almost like tobacco leaves.
That's fascinating. And how about cvarci in other Balkan countries?
Cvarci are popular across the Balkans with slight variations. In Croatia, they are known as cvarci too, but sometimes they are made with additional spices. In Hungary, a similar dish called teperto is often served as a snack or with bread. In Bosnia, they are prepared much like in Serbia, but often enjoyed with local cheeses.
So, no matter where you are in the Balkans, cvarci remain a true comfort food.
Lena and Maria, thank you for sharing your knowledge with us today.
Thank you for having me.
It was a pleasure.
Thanks for watching and see you next time.